All right, guys, welcome back. Another exciting episode for you today. So this is a trim piece for a Tesla Model Y, and these trim pieces are installed in a pretty, similar fashion with all the other cars. So what you got to do to reinstate this is you take out these trim nuts or trim bolts and insert it back onto this piece, and then just shove it in. I'm gonna go over how to do that quickly. Because I have my tool with me today, what we have today is a plastic fork. It'll give us enough leverage to break these nuts out. Ah. There we go. That's one. That's two. Lost a few teeth there, but there. That's three. All right, now what you do is, we have a fourth piece here, bottom. So we just take it, install it as such. Okay. And now insert the two clips right here, like this. Try to line it up the best we can to the existing slots and punch it in. There. So that's how you do it. Hope that helps you. Good luck. Just as an extra piece of information, so on the back side, there's also another trim nut that holds it here, but it's obviously fallen off. So we'll have to get the part and come back and mend it tomorrow.